Hi, this is Dr. Lassane again. I want to go over the assignment about blogging the required books. You're going to create a blog to use for this course. If you've already done a blog for another course, you can certainly use this. Again, just make sure that you label that you're using this for LSSL 5360, start a new section of that blog, and that you make sure that everything for this class goes under that. So this assignment, as they all are, worth 100 points. You're going to write a blog entry for each of the 20 books on that second page of the syllabus, and then the 20 authors for which you'll select a book. So each blog post should have the following: a bibliographic citation using correct APA format. The department uses APA format, and so it's good for you to learn to do this right now. If you don't know how, or you don't have a good handbook for APA, there are dozens of them available online, including my favorite, which is the OWL, O-W-L website that covers how you do APA format. You also will include a JPEG of the cover of the book. That JPEG ideally should be at least 300 by 300 DPI. That's to make sure that it's not pixelated. You don't want to make it much bigger than that. And certainly I don't need covers that go a whole page, but I do want them so that they're not pixelated. Then in terms of the content, you'll write a summary of the book. Remember that you are proving to me that you have read the book. So the summary should be, while not blow by blow for each page, should still be thorough, should tell me who are the main characters, what's the problem, how do the characters go about solving the problem, and how does the story end. Then you're going to give me some commentary on what you see as the strengths of the book, using the criteria from the textbook where applicable. You're also going to include connections, other books along similar themes, other books by the same author, book trailers, any other kind of thing that you can connect to the book. And finally, the requirement that the book meets. Is this off the required book list or the required author list? You're going to turn these in two sets. One set will be the required books from that second page of the syllabus, and the second set will be the titles from each of the 20 authors. There's no set order for the books. The due dates, remember, are here in this at Blackboard. At LiveBinder. They're also at Blackboard, so they're also in your syllabus. So you should have no problem at all seeing when these are due. So if you look on your due dates, you'll see these are the final two assignments that you do for this semester. So I hope that that gives you all the information you need about doing this required reading.